Today I am reviewing the DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and future-ready action camera, the DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo is shaping up to be one of the most exciting options in the market right now. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, sports enthusiast, or someone who simply wants to capture everyday moments in stunning quality, this camera brings together cutting-edge features and user-friendly design in a compact package. Right from the start, what stands out about the Osmo Action 6 is its upgraded 1/1.1-inch square sensor. This is a significant improvement over many traditional action cameras, and it directly translates into better image quality. You get more detail, richer colors, and improved performance in both bright and low-light conditions. Whether you're shooting in the middle of a sunny day or capturing night scenes, the camera adapts impressively well. One of the most unique features here is the variable aperture, ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0. This is something you don't commonly see in action cameras, and it gives you more control over how your shots look. In brighter environments, you can stop down the aperture to maintain sharpness and reduce overexposure. In low light, opening it up to f/2.0 allows more light in, resulting in clearer and more detailed footage. For creators who want more flexibility without stepping into full professional camera gear, this feature is a game changer. When it comes to video capabilities, the Osmo Action 6 doesn't disappoint. With support for up to 8K recording, you're getting incredibly high-resolution footage that's future-proof and perfect for content creators who want their videos to stand out. Even if you're primarily shooting in 4K, having that extra resolution gives you more room for cropping, editing, and reframing without losing quality. The footage looks sharp, vibrant, and professional straight out of the camera. Another area where this camera shines is durability and reliability. It's designed to handle tough environments, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. The cold-resistant build ensures that it keeps working even in low temperatures, which is perfect for activities like hiking, skiing, or traveling in colder regions. Battery performance is also impressive, offering up to 4 hours of usage under normal conditions. That's a big deal for an action camera, especially when you're out all day and don't want to constantly worry about recharging. The waterproof capability is another major plus. You can take this camera underwater up to 20 meters without needing an additional case. Whether you're swimming, snorkeling, or capturing underwater scenes, the Osmo Action 6 is ready to go. This makes it a fantastic choice for travel vloggers and adventure seekers who want to document every moment without limitations. Audio is often overlooked in action cameras, but DJI has made some smart improvements here. The ability to connect 2 DJI microphone transmitters directly to the camera without needing a receiver is incredibly convenient. This makes it much easier to capture high-quality audio for interviews, vlogs, or dual-speaker recordings. For content creators, this feature alone can significantly elevate production quality. Storage and usability have also been thoughtfully designed. With 50 gigabytes of built-in storage, you can start shooting right away without needing to insert a memory card. This is especially useful in situations where you might forget your card or run out of space mid-shoot. It adds a layer of convenience that many users will appreciate. The camera also supports gesture and voice controls, making hands-free operations simple and intuitive. Imagine being able to start recording with just a hand gesture or voice command while you're biking, climbing, or busy with both hands. It's these small but impactful features that make a big difference in real-world use. In terms of design, the Osmo Action 6 stays true to the compact and rugged style that action cameras are known for. It's lightweight, easy to mount, and highly portable, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. Whether you're attaching it to a helmet, a bike, or just holding in your hand for vlogging, it feels solid and reliable. Of course, no product is without its limitations. While 8K recording is impressive, not everyone will need it, and it can take up a lot of storage space. Also, advanced users might still prefer dedicated cameras for highly specialized shooting scenarios. But for the vast majority of users, the balance of features here is more than enough. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo is a powerful, feature-packed action camera that delivers excellent performance across the board. From its high-quality sensor and variable aperture to its rugged build and smart features, it's designed to meet the needs of modern content creators and adventurers alike. If you're looking for an action camera that offers flexibility, durability, and top-tier video quality, this is definitely one to consider. Whether you're capturing extreme sports, travel adventures, or everyday moments, the Osmo Action 6 is built to keep up with your lifestyle and help you create content that truly stands out.